Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how to perform a soft reset on your TESLA Smart Composition Scale SC100. So first, you need to turn it back around, and now you need to remove the batteries. First one, now second one, and the last one. Now wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. And now insert them again. Now it should perform a reset. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.